Established in 2003, we at Sovereign focus on the highest level of manufacturing quality for injectables distributed to pharmaceutical companies worldwide. We are a WHO GMP certified manufacturing facility for terminally sterilized aseptically filled injectables in ampoules, vials, pre-fill syringes, and sterile crimped cartridges. At Sovereign, we believe in adapting to the rapidly changing pharmaceutical industry by evolving and upgrading our facilities and systems to keep up with ever-changing times. With a production capacity of around 350 million pieces per annum, Sovereign manufactures and sells over 1 billion injections by number of doses annually. Sovereign Pharma. Quality, quantity, and reliability.